In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use polling in Microsoft Teams. If you're looking to gather feedback, make group decisions, or simply engage with your team, integrating polls into your team's experience is a fantastic way to do so. Let's dive right in and explore how you can create and distribute polls to enhance team interactions. To get started, sign into Microsoft Teams. Once you've opened Teams, make sure you're logged into the correct account that has access to the group you want to work with. This foundational step ensures that all subsequent actions are directed within the right environment. Next, navigate to the specific group where you want to conduct the poll. You can locate the group from your dashboard list or by using the search feature. Once inside the group, look for the plus icon, usually at the top of the screen. Clicking this icon gives you access to additional functionalities and apps that can be integrated into your team. Think of it as your gateway to expanding your team's capabilities. From the available options, select Polls. This will take you to the section where you can create a new poll. This function is designed to help you easily incorporate surveys or feedback forms directly within your team's environment. Now, let's focus on structuring the poll. Start by typing a clear and concise description. This description provides your team members with context about the poll and sets the stage for the responses you're seeking. The more specific, the better. After that, edit the options for your poll. You can add multiple choices, allowing a range of responses. Consider the information you're seeking and format your poll accordingly. For example, if deciding on a meeting time, list the possible times as options. If seeking opinions on a project direction, provide clear choices that reflect potential paths forward. Before sending the poll, preview it by clicking the preview option. This lets you see exactly how it will appear to your team members. This step is crucial as it allows you to catch any errors or make final tweaks to improve clarity. Once satisfied with the setup, click Send. This action distributes the poll to all group members, enabling them to cast their votes. And just like that, you've successfully created and shared a poll within Microsoft Teams. This process not only allows you to collect valuable input, but also fosters an interactive and engaging team environment.